About Teaching Care and its products and services. Teaching Care provides the best quality online live home tuition and online live coaching classes by best teachers from all over India and abroad at comfort of your home with free trial class for school exams, board exams, JEE Main, JEE Advanced, NEET, Spoken English, Banking and SSC. Teaching Care live classes have two-way live interactive classroom with real-time audio-video communication with the teacher. The classroom has online whiteboard for writing, typing, rubbing, erasing, PowerPoint presentation, showing images, PDF file, Word file, YouTube video and animation video. The classroom also has provision for chatting, code writing, and automatic class recording for revision. You can ask doubts during the class and clear all doubts instantly during the class from the teacher. You can study anytime anywhere, English, mathematics, science, physics, chemistry, biology, business studies, accountancy, economics, Hindi etc. for class 4 to class 12, undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Teaching Care provides live classes in following areas of education. 1. School exams and board exam preparation for CBSE, ICSE, IGCSE and IB. 2. Professional competitive exam preparation such as engineering entrance exam JEE Main and JEE Advanced, medical entrance exam NEET preparation. 3. NTSE, Olympiads and Foundation. 4. Skill development like spoken English. 5. Banking and SSC. 6. To offline coaching centers and coaching institutes, by providing online live classes by quality teachers of Teaching Care. 7. To schools especially those in Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities. 4. NEET, NTSE, Olympiad and Foundation courses. 8. To entrepreneurs. 9. To government organizations, to make skill-oriented quality education accessible in remote areas. For example, Teaching Care in collaboration with Indian Army and Ministry of Defence has been providing online live coaching classes to students of Jammu and Kashmir when schools get shut due to heavy snowfall or due to security-related issues. 6. To NGOs, for educating children in remote areas and economically weaker sections in collaboration with Teaching Care online live classes. Book free trial class now at teachingcare.com or call 981-100-0616.